bells, jingle all the way.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? So welcome to the Vlogmas series. I'm going to be doing a video every day for December, and hopefully you enjoy it. Now, we're at a family. This is supposed to be a family shoot here at Livestush. This is my younger, taller brother, Kimani. My mother around someplace, probably I use the bathroom or something, so she should forward in later. But Roger says something so people know say you actually have a mouth.
Box cover.
Okay. Where's my mother?
Hi.
Okay, and this is my lovely mother, Miss Marcia. What is a box cover?
Box cover?
For real.
Fake last time. Oh, Roger, me have to see your face. Yay.
It's so much fun here at Stush. It's so much fun here at Fern Studios.
He doesn't even know my name.
It's Fernelise, boy.
Fernelise Studios?
You're not in the picture of my
Fernelise.
Walk behind him. Walk behind him.
Oh my gosh, it's so it's so much fun here at Fernelise Studios.
Alright, so you have to bend down a little bit. Yes. So get your
Fernelise.
face near them.
We don't know studios.
So make sure that you, if you're watching this, you head on down to Fernelise so that you can get your Christmas photography.
Really?
For
You
real?
could make it any more fake?
It's Christmas.
Wow.
'Tis the season to be fake.
5 years
It's the season to
5
be
years
courted.
of management, and that's the best you can do for me.
Yeah.
'Tis the season.
But Fern is supposed to drop on the ground and the excitement so people can see the things they're like, oh, you're really a photographer.
I'm going to leave the camera after me.
Boy. Oh God, it's just a style. Good. Ready?
Alright, go on again. Yay.
Mommy, I pose good.
She sure is.
Okay.
She always ready. It's you. Nine. We see in the phone. The phone in your hand, Marcy. Awesome. Great. Look, this
Kimani,
way,
why you
Shane.
must look like a tense Batman? Relax.
Okay, it's supposed to
Do like some chin action.
Alright, Rochelle, let me get some of you by yourself.
No, by myself, no.
Okay, now you
So,
can go on
Reggie.
with all the silliness you want to go on with.
Exactly. And I bring me now your foolishness.
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Home will we go. What is this, man? What is this?
God only knows. Right, okay. That's different. Boy, the caption look. You're belling. What are you doing? Could you please stop violating my studio? Could you please stop violating my studio? Young children, come here. My studio. Young children, come here. And you are violating.
My Christian eyes.
That was an abstract
God.
art. Okay?
That was horrible.
I was trying to recreate like the earthquake that's been happening in Jamaica throughout 2018.
You are an earthquake. You have been happening in Jamaica since 2013.
I can't, let me really feel captured now.
Where are we getting from? Rasheen, what are you doing? Why everything you do looks obscene? Could you sit down?
Can't believe I saw you now put me through.
I think we've had enough. I think
Really, Fern, why you did me like this?
so. This is what you belong. This is what you deserve.
Wait for the vlog, man.
Oh, you're treating me like the gift to the world that I am?
They're treating you like a madman that you are.
No, why we feel like Maria all of a sudden now she wants party? Like, wow. Like she had to go that stress. The stress I wrote too much. Just like, come back. Oh.
Where's your mother?
Mommy now
Yes,
party.
mommy, your time now.
Mommy now party.
Yeah, just come and hold this. This is probably where you wish you could have done more time. Come where I am.
So tell the people about Fernelise and why they should contact you for their Christmas family photography.
Well, when I'm
Yeah.
not taking pictures of crazy people,
Yeah.
I take
Come on.
pictures of lovely Jamaican families who
Yeah.
want a portrait, a lovely portrait for, you know, a Christmas keepsake for their memories. And normally it's a lot more sedate and more composed and
Yes.
stately, but you know, we can get crazy if need be, depending on the personality of the family.
Oh my gosh.
Really, I really did a good job. So if you too want to be tied up, looking for something a little bit different this season.
Man, I get the wrong people that come to you in a
Well, hey, we cater to all kinds, fairly. Oh.
So how them can contact? How them contact you?
They can follow me on Instagram at Fernelise. That's Fern like the gully, ELISE.
Yes.
Or Fernelise.com or info@Fernelise.com. Or give us a call, 876-632-5606.
Yeah, make sure to say contact her because she's actually a really fun and friendly photographer. And she'll make sure to feel comfortable and make sure so the energy is actually up. And she's really talented. I taught her everything that she knows. Yeah.
Hello, hi, bye, bye. For real?
Alright, now let's give a good Christmas hug for the people.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, festive.
No, let's jump and freeze in the air like
Okay.
that on there. Bye, people. Oh, thank you, Reggie.
It's a time.